I am Theresa Minnis, and I am the owner-administrator of Legacy Private Care. With all of the diseases and illnesses that's out there, it's even affecting the younger generation. Even though we were now seeing more younger clients and younger patients, it still really didn't hit home until I went to a workshop offered by Keaney Financial Services. And when I looked in the room, the pairs were of my same age. So all of these business owners were around the same age, and I got to thinking, this must be something I ought to consider. So after the workshop, I came back and I spoke with my partner, and it took some time to get him on board, but I said we really need to consider meeting with Keaney Financial Services and see what they have to offer, for the business. The business would greatly be affected, adversely, negatively. We would not probably be able to keep the employees on. We wouldn't be able to function. Now, that was prior to Keaney Financials, but now that we've taken the steps and put paperwork in place and we do have the disability insurance, I am comfortable in knowing that I can sleep well at night, knowing that should some event happens that forces me not to be here, the business can still function. The employees still have a job, and all we have to do is get someone else in place.